so we are right now at the Willem's Dutch Pancake House. It was a concept for us a little bit hard, because in the morning we were selling pancakes and we were doing so well, but at night it was a little bit hard to see what concept. And we took a totally different concept. We have a French cuisine with very classic and culinary food. It's a 5-course menu. People can choose out of four options. So we have the kids menu, we have a vegetarian, we have the classic, and we have the upsell. So tonight you were presented, and tonight we were having the classic menu. So we started with a fish soup. After that we had burrito, the salad with tomato. After that we had the lobster tail. So the Caribbean lobster tail. After that we had a piece of tenderloin, and we finished with a souffle with chocolate in there. And those were the 5 courses you were eating tonight. It was a quite success. I really hope you liked it. We're here at Willem's Dutch Pancake House. So at 3 o'clock we really stop with the Dutch pancakes, and from there on we remodel and we do everything. We have a transition that we start to become a very classic French restaurant inside. So and we are going to be open. Reservations are going to be open from Friday. Okay, so normally you can all do all our reservations from Yummy, but Yummy will bring you to a special, a totally different reservation site from Le Petit Chef Aruba, and at Le Petit Chef Aruba, from there on, that's where you start the reservation. Yeah, it's something we don't have. There's a really, we were always thinking of really interaction on the table. We went to Bogota to see things over there, and it was a totally different experience with chefs who were dancing and stuff. And this was Le Petit Chef. It was something that we were already 2 years working on. It's a concept worldwide. You see it in Dubai, you see it a lot in Europe. Not so much yet in America, but they're going to launch also a lot more. And we are, I think, the first Caribbean island who has Le Petit Chef. And also to explain a little bit about Le Petit Chef, when we start the whole evening, it will start off with a projector who's going to give you a Le Petit Chef, and they're going to cook with the projector 3D on your plate. And every course they have their own small movie, and Le Petit Chef is cooking something on that plate, and we try to do our best to get that plate, as much as it looks like Le Petit Chef, we're going to cook the same plate for you on the table. So everybody should come. It's something right now in Aruba, nobody has it. It's totally enjoyable. It's totally very interactive on the table. It's a whole night out with your friends or with family or with your wife, etc.